Hey guys, it's Jade. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys some brunch ideas that would all be perfect to make for your mum this Mother's Day. They're super easy and delicious, so let's get started. Okay, so starting off with these brunch kebabs, start off by making some pancake batter. So it's up to you, use whatever recipe you like. If you would like the recipe that I used, it is left in the description box down below, so feel free to use that, but it's totally up to you. So just go ahead and do that, and I'd recommend just doing half quantity of what you usually do, just because the end result of the pancakes are pretty small. But once you've made your batter, go ahead and cook those on a fry pan using some butter or oil. Probably don't use as much butter as I did, but I just used half a tablespoon of mixture, and that made the perfect amount per pancake. Of course, it is up to you though, but I found that's what worked best. Just go ahead and do this until you have used up all of your batter and they are completely cooked, and then you can take them off the stove and chop up some fruits of your choice. I used some bananas and strawberries, as you can see, and once you've chopped up your fruit and cooked your pancakes, you can just take some skewers and start putting them onto the skewers. I just did banana, strawberry, pancake, repeat until I'd run out of all of my mixture. And that's literally it. These are so yummy. I think they're a perfect brunch idea because they're mess free, they're easy, but they're also super creative and show that you still put in some effort. Moving on to this chai tea latte, I didn't have all the ingredients, but I will do my best to show you guys how to make it. So starting off, you want to start by putting some chai tea into your cup. So I just use a tea bag, but you can feel free to go ahead and use your own mixture. I guess that is a little more custom and thoughtful, but all you want to do is fill it up halfway with water and then leave that until you get an intense tea mixture. And once you've got that, go ahead and fill it almost to the top with milk, and I also added in a bit of vanilla extract for flavour. And then this is when it's up to you. You can go ahead and add in ice, heat it up, add in froth, whipped cream, whatever you like, but I didn't have that, so I just added on some cinnamon. And honestly, this is so delicious, but it's also really easy to make, perfect for any chai lover, and just goes really well with any other type of food that you make for brunch. Okay, so moving on to the French toast. Starting off in a dish, go ahead and crack in 1 egg along with a 1/4 cup of milk of your choice, and then just go ahead and mix those together and make sure the egg is completely beaten up. Then go ahead and add in a few sprinkles of cinnamon along with 1 tablespoon of sugar, and again mix that all together. Once you've got that mixture, go ahead and take some plain bread, preferably white, but I didn't have any. But anyway, you just want to dip that in quickly into your mixture, make sure it's coated on both sides, then take it straight out. You can do this with up to 4 pieces of bread, and then you want to go ahead and cook those on a fry pan until they are golden brown. It's up to you what you want to serve with these. I just add some berries, but feel free to add maple syrup, Nutella, anything like that. That's it. It's super simple, but it's a nice brunch. I mean, it's French toast. No more needed explanation. Moving on to these delicious banana muffins, start by taking 100 grams of flour along with 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda and sifting those together into a bowl. Then in a separate bowl, go ahead and take 75 grams of sugar, half of a beaten egg, 35 grams of butter, and 1 large mashed banana or 2 small ones, and go ahead and whisk those together. Yes, my banana was lumpy, but hey, it still worked out completely fine. And then you just want to add in your dry mixture and mix those together using a whisk to avoid clumps. Once you've got that batter, you can go ahead and put that into your usual cupcake / muffin tray. You can do double quantities of this, by the way guys, but this one just made 6. Once you've got that, go ahead and put these in the oven and bake them at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes until they are golden brown, and you are left with these delicious banana muffins. I know they are kind of boring, but maybe that would make a nice side to the brunch, and they are super filling. Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you do try any of these out, don't forget to tag or DM me on Instagram, and as always, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the bell down below, and I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Bye!